Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, pianist, composer, piano and composition teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link below in the description, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel in case you are interested in original music and covers. Going back to the Piano Lessons to Go channel, don't forget to subscribe and to share also with your friends if there is anybody that is interested in piano music. Let me know also about yourself when you started studying, your experience. Now time to go to our lesson. Today is time to play and explain Sweet and Low, the duet on page 40 and 41 of the John Thompson Thesis Piano Course Part 2. Today I'm going to play also the accompaniment, because I think that will help enjoying it even more. Now, this one obviously after so many pieces studied well, I hope that you've studied all of them very well, and in case you are landing only today on this channel watching this video, I really invite you to watch maybe some of the previous ones to understand everything properly, because I hope that everybody has studied all the pieces, not skipping even one. This is what happened studying with me. I don't let my students skip not even one of the pieces, yeah? Anyways, so I am playing first of all at the let's say at high speed, and then I will explain a few things. I will play slower, and then the accompaniment. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's start first of all analyzing and checking the key signature. We are in the key of F major because we have the B flat, B flat, B flat on both sides. It seems that is a concept that is not that easily understood by many students. So this flat, this sign, is on the third line of the treble clef stave, and here is on the second line. Why? Because here we have the B, in the bass clef is on the second line, same as obviously above the fifth line, but is used always here, and in the treble clef is here the B, yeah, and that's why this is B flat and this one is B flat. Then we could say that the first big block ends exactly here, the first bar of the second line, where you see that you restart again automatically the main theme, and it ends on the second bar of the second page. One thing to clarify immediately is this broken line, let's say, yeah, these broken lines. What do they mean? Many students ask me about which one is the real meaning, why is it really needed? I have to simply let you know that the reason of this line is that the melody starts exactly here. The melody is and the melody doesn't start here, it's not part of the accompaniment. These are melodic notes. Notes of the melody of the song, let's say, yeah? And these are notes of the accompaniment, of your own accompaniment, of the harmony. You will learn these things step by step, yeah? Okay? So we have clarified the first big section ending here, the second one here. Then we have another big section that goes from here up to this point, that anyways can be divided into half sections, studying it in blocks, in small blocks. Here you have to simply be careful to change the hand position a little bit. Indeed, it's very kind, Thompson, mentioning it through the mouth of this guy. Because at the beginning, for the F, this is the note F, for the F you've been using up to this bar, let's say, the fourth finger. Here you have to simply use the fifth finger. The reason is very simple, because you have two Ds, one natural and one flat, and obviously in this way you can reach the C, yeah? Easily in this way. This these are the 5 notes that you will need in between this bar and this one, and that's all. I invite you to study separate ends first, slowly, small blocks. Divide always the 8 bars in small blocks of 4, and then sometime even less, 2 or sometime even more, 1 bar per time. Master the bar, then move to the next, okay? Now playing it slowly. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, rest, stop. Be simply careful that a few times the B has to be played natural, yeah? This is the natural sign that you've learned in Once Upon a Time in this book. So you have the natural sign here, natural sign here, natural sign here, here. Now, as promised, I will play the accompaniment. So I think that I will be using the metronome, and I think that I'm using it at 88. Let me check. 2, 3. Yeah, it's a good medium tempo. Obviously, you don't need to check my hands because this is only for you to use the sound and to play with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Et voilà. I think that with the performance of the accompaniment is more than enough. There is nothing else that I think that I should explain. If you have any question, feel free to comment. We are definitely about to end the book. On my book I am missing the greetings, but I will definitely play it for you. I have straight on the prelude. Many students don't have greetings. Anyways, I will publish also greetings. Then, so prelude this wonderful piece by Chopin. Then the band played on, and the book is over. And there is Thompson Part 3 for everybody. Anyways, so Feel free to comment, let me know how things are going. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel, thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye!